Hi and hello, my name is Christopher Beverly and I'm here to turn your dreams into keys. Welcome to the Why Move to Florida channel. In this video today, you're going to learn more about Deland, Florida, see this beautiful home behind me, and learn how it can be yours with no down payment. On this channel, I post house tours very regularly, also house buying tips. So feel free to subscribe, like this video, and leave a comment with any suggestions or any questions that you might have. Now, if you're unfamiliar with Deland, Florida, let me get you up to date on the location. We're about 40 minutes north of Orlando, about an hour away from the Disney, Universal, SeaWorld, pretty much most of Florida's theme parks. Now, if you're living in Deland, there's still several things you can do. This particular house behind me is about 11 minutes away from downtown Deland's historic garden district. Also Main Street, where all the fun cafes are located, the shops, and the restaurants. Some of the restaurants that are most favorite in this area is the Fish House, which is about 4.6 on Google. You already know that means it's good food. Also the Table Restaurant, all within minutes from this house. Now, if you're more outdoorsy, which I am too, Blue Springs State Park is a must. You can do kayaking, you can do hiking, you can do canoeing, all minutes away from your home. Also, you are 30 minutes away from Daytona Beach, Florida. One of my favorite beaches because you actually can drive your car on the beach. If you haven't experienced this must-have thing to do in Florida, it is a must. Definitely check it out as it's only 30 minutes away from your new home. Now I've said enough. Let's go check out this wonderful home. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, brand new. I think first we're gonna check out is the kitchen. Why not? Now we have tile floor throughout the whole home, which I like. Split floor plans. We have some bedrooms over here where the primary suite's over here, but check out this kitchen. Granite countertops, shaker style cabinets, slow to close for those late night snacks so you don't wake up the whole house. You have a dual sided fridge, plenty of room, pantry. Now this is gonna be the dining room. I'm thinking of the rectangle table, some chairs, plenty of room. Spacious living room. I mean, if you have a 40, 50, 60-inch TV, it'll fit perfectly on this wall. All right, next, I would like to check out the primary suite. Now, before the primary suite, you do have a hall closet. So if you want to store any of your linens, or this is usually where the vacuum cleaner goes, let's be honest here. Now the laundry room right off the bedroom is a plus. You can be relaxing in your bed, finish up some of your weekend laundry. Now this is the primary suite, or others call the master bedroom. Pretty big. And you have a dual vanity in the bathroom here. Also a nice standing shower. Now I'm 6'3", so if you're tall, this is perfect. Perfect size for you. Now let's go check out the master closet, which I kind of like. It's definitely spacious. It has 2 different sides to do your racks. You have a full rack here. So maybe this could be the wives or the husband, or let's be honest, be both the wives. This is the husband side over here, the smaller side. Now the bedrooms do have carpet, which is good. So that means as soon as you get out of bed, no cold floor. Let's go check out the other 2 bedrooms on the other side of the home. Nice, another closet as well. Now it could be his and hers. You can have your 2 siblings, or this can be the relative, or this can be an office actually. Gets a lot of natural light from the front of the house. Decent sized closet as well. All the closets in this house have decent, all the bedrooms. Well, this bathroom's nice. I mean, check out this vanity. I know this could be more of a guest bathroom, but like if you're getting ready in the morning, you have all your items out here, it's pretty big. Granite countertops as well. Similar shower to the primary suite. Now let's go check out the backyard. Now, we're sitting on nearly half an acre of land. More than enough room to have a pool. You can have a lanai. You can have your kids play soccer out here. You can have your dogs running around. Let me emphasize on how big this lot is. I am still running. You can do a 5-yard dash. You can do a 50-yard dash. Y'all can play hide and seek back here. This is where family memories are made. Now, if you like house tours like this, be sure to like, follow, and subscribe because I post them very regularly. As mentioned earlier in this video, this home can be yours with no down payment. Now, I'm sure you're probably thinking, what's the catch? Is it a scam? It's really not. Let me explain it to you. You have two options. You can work with my friends over at South State Bank and get into this home with no down payment. Also, no PMI, which is private mortgage insurance. I can save you between $150 to $300 a month. I'm already saving you money. In addition to that, it's just no down payment. There's no money to pay back. There's no money at all because it's just no down payment. Allows you to get into this home at a very cheap cost, between $4,000 to $6,000. Considering there's closing costs, that's something that you have to pay as a buyer. But with South State Bank, as long as you have a 640 credit score, you've been at your job for at least 2 years, it is possible for you to get into this home. Now, I do have a second option for you. Space Coast Credit Union allows you to get into this home with no down payment as well, but that stipulation is a little higher. You need to have a 700 credit score and also 2 months of mortgage payment stored in your savings account. Now, that's a lot of information I'm just throwing at you. So I'll put all the information in my description below where you can apply for my lenders for free at no cost. And then from there, we can discuss what are your options and how does the timeline look for you as the buyer. Now, if you have any questions beyond that, my contact information is below. You can text me, email me, give me a call. I'm always available for the most part, and I'm here to help you on your home journey. I'll see you on the next video and take care.